Welcome back to Cooking with Monet. I know I haven't made one of these in quite a bit. Like, we talking about some months, quite a bit, okay? I know. But today we're going to be making teriyaki noodles with cabbage and bok choy and with chicken. So I love to just eat like teriyaki noodles. It's one of my favorite things to eat. It's so freaking good. And I was like, I've been obsessed with bok choy lately. So I'm like, ooh, let's add some bok choy to that. And also I love cabbage. So I was like, ooh, let's add some cabbage to that. And then some chicken. It's go eat, okay? It's gonna eat. So first, let me show you the ingredients. So obviously you're gonna want some cabbage. Yes. Not gonna lie, this is my first time. This is kind of embarrassing. This is my first time buying cabbage. Like, very first time buying cabbage, you guys. And cooking it myself. I've eaten cabbage like plenty of times before and I love cabbage, it's so good. But this is my first time buying it and cooking it myself. There's always a first for everything, so do not come for me, okay? But I'm excited because I cannot wait to just eat cabbage. Like, I love cabbage so much. And then you're gonna need some bok choy. I got this from Target. These are baby bok choy. It doesn't matter if you get the full one, baby one. I don't think it really matters. They all taste the same. The cabbage ran me probably like $1 something, and this I think was like $3 and something. But honestly, you get a lot of bok choy in here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's like five bok choys. I don't know if that's what it's called, but yeah, so you're gonna need some bok choy, and then obviously you're gonna need some type of noodles of your choice. You can use, I'm just using regular spaghetti noodles. You can use fettuccine, panini, I don't know, whatever noodles you want. You're just gonna need some noodles. And you're gonna need some chicken. Unfortunately, this is the only chicken I have, so this is the only chicken we're gonna be using, okay? I'm just gonna be using this popcorn chicken that I got from Aldi. Yeah, this is the only chicken that I have, okay? I don't have like chicken breast or like, this is it. I mean, it's just as good. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. And then last but not least, you're gonna need some type of teriyaki stir-fry sauce. I like to use this one from Aldi. It's really good, and this is the only one I've ever used. You can use any type of teriyaki. You can make your own teriyaki. You can do whatever you want, honestly. Or you can add whatever sauce you want. This is just what I'm adding, okay? I love me this teriyaki sauce. I'm pretty sure this is enough teriyaki sauce. At first I was scared. I was like, oh, do we even have any more left? I'm glad we had something. First things first I need to do is boil this water that's in this pot right now, because for some reason it takes forever to boil water. If you have a kitchen and you have one of those stoves that just like instantly boils your water, I am so jealous of you. Like, that is the definition of rich right there. Let's go ahead and boil some of this water. Honestly, I don't measure the water. You just put some freaking water in a freaking pot and then boil it, okay? I'm gonna just go ahead and put that on high. While the water is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and cut up our cabbage. I'm kind of scared because I never cut cabbage before. I'm assuming you can just cut it like lettuce, like a head of lettuce, right? Like, there's no like fancy way of cutting it, right? I'm gonna be using like one of these type of bread knives because I feel like the little, like, it'll be good. Let's just hope and pray I can cut this right and correctly. Obviously I have to wash some of these leaves. I even looked up a video on TikTok on how to cut lettuce or cut cabbage. So I was like, what if there's like a whole different way to cut this? Like, what if it's a whole different way? So I did see them like take off these outside layers. Can you guys please let me know why? Because I feel like you can eat this. Am I tripping? Like, I don't want to waste layers. Okay, you know what? I'm just do what the video say. Just do what the video say. Is that not wasting cabbage? Like, I don't understand. I feel like I'm wasting cabbage, but whatever. This isn't a tutorial, by the way. So this is just y'all watching me cook. All right, this isn't a tutorial. So was this already like washed? Why is it like wet? Or I got like water drops on it? All right, first let's cut this off. Dang, that's tough. Okay, So we cut that off, and then I'm gonna cut it in half. This is just what I've seen people do in the videos. Ooh, smells like cabbage. Oh my god. Ugh, dang, them people strong in the video. How the heck y'all cut this? What the, oh, okay, hold on. Dang, they strong in the video. Ooh, I didn't know cabbage had this much, like, it's like really wet in there. I didn't know, I didn't know it was carrying like that. So I'm just gonna like take some leaves off, I guess, cause I need to wash it. So we're gonna just do like this and just take some leaves off, and then we're gonna wash it. I'm not gonna put like that. Should I cook? No, I'm not gonna cook this whole thing. I'm not gonna cook that much cabbage because it's just me and Caleb. I feel like there's an easier way, and I know you guys are gonna tell me in the comments on everything I'm doing wrong, which thank you if you do, you know, as long as if it's nice, because some of y'all be mean and annoying. I'm like, okay, you don't gotta be that mean. Okay, let me just go rinse this off real quick. It's rinsed. Now I'm just about to cut. I'm just gonna cut them like this, in like these little strips, kind of. And I feel like that's a good enough cut. Question though, does cabbage cook down like how spinach does? I feel like that's what's about to happen here. Okay, so this is the pan that we have, and the water is almost done boiling, so we're gonna go ahead and add our noodles in just a second once it gets, you know, a rolling. But let's go ahead and add some of this oil. I'm just using some grapeseed oil. I know we're not really supposed to be using seed oils, but I don't care. This was the cheapest oil, okay? Give me money to buy nice olive oil, and then I'll be using olive oil. I don't care, okay? I really don't care. Our water is boiling, so I'm about to go ahead and add the noodles in there. I hope I don't have to show you guys how to put noodles in, right? Also, in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken in. This chicken only takes probably like 15 minutes, maybe like 10, you know, to make. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in while the noodles are boiling, because they both take like 10 to 15 minutes to cook. So I'll put them in at the same time. Let's go ahead and put this chicken in here. Let's see, I'm gonna do, let's see, I only want 4, so I'm gonna do 4 for myself. What the heck? This is like a BBL chicken. Ugh, okay. So I'm gonna do 4 for myself and maybe like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for Caleb. That's good. So we're gonna do 400 for like 15 minutes. Also, noodles is boiling. We did not turn this on yet because I'm waiting. So I'm gonna add, or actually, maybe I should just like cook it down a little bit. But I want to add the bok choy in too with it, because does cabbage cook fast? Okay, let me turn this cabbage on, because I don't know if cabbage cook fast or not. I'm gonna do medium. I don't know if cabbage cook fast. Let me season it though too, because we got the cabbage going right now. I don't know if cabbage takes a long time to cook. I'm assuming no. Like, I'm assuming cabbage is like kind of quick to cook. But I kind of wanted to put them on before I put this in, because bok choy takes like 2 seconds to cook, for real. Like, legit, takes super fast to cook. So let's go ahead and cut up this bok choy. I'm just gonna cut the little root off, and we're gonna wash these little, like each little stem. I guess that's what they're called. This is like a reason why I don't like recording while I cook, because, bro, I feel like every time that I try to do it, I'm always panicking and it just don't go right. Like cooking to me is already super stressful and annoying. Like, I don't really like to cook, but I will if it's like super easy little meals to make. Like to me, this is pretty simple and this is pretty easy to cook. But like I feel like I don't like, and adding recording to it just makes me so nervous. Like I don't like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash all of these little stems off because they be having dirt in them. I'm just gonna add them in the pot with the cabbage right now. I hope cabbage don't take long to cook. Is this even heating up? Like, am I tripping? Maybe. Let's go ahead and bump up that heat. Okay, I'm just gonna add this in there. It should all like go down, right? Right. I'm gonna do salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Okay, I feel like those seasonings are pretty good. Chicken is done. Noodles are done. Veggies are literally about to be done. They smell good. Ooh. I might make this for breakfast tomorrow. But yeah, veggies are donezo. Probably just like a little bit more. Let me turn this heat down though. I feel like it's way too high. I'm doing low. So everything is done. All we need to do is just add the teriyaki sauce. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna dump some of that in there. I probably made too much noodles, but that's okay. We also don't want it like drenching with teriyaki. And I'm also gonna turn the stove on a little bit. Caleb's here. The teriyaki noodles are done. So let's go ahead and plate. Everything is done. Finally, I feel like this whole video has been me like crashing out low-key. Because I've just been like, I don't know, I've been like, I can't get the times right when stuff gets done around the same time, especially when it's like more than a couple of things that I'm cooking. I'm just like, wait, when did I put that in? Wait, when it, like, it's too much. It is too much. But we got done. We got there though. We got there. The food is done. This is what it looks like. Yummy yum. Looks super good, don't it? Yeah, you want to eat it? I do too. All right.
You can't eat it though, because it's not yours. It's mine and it's hers.
Go ahead, taste test it.
It almost looks too pretty. I don't even want to eat it. Look.
Taste test it.
I got a little smile on mine. The snack that smiles back.
Goldfish.
Bok choy.
Cabbage turned out really good.
I don't want to eat one of my chicken balls with it yet.
Okay,
I only have so many of them. I want to make the chicken ball last.
I gave you the BBL chicken. I need to make cabbage more. Good, right?
Something so simple, yet so delicious.
Yes.
About a bok choy.
The bok choy hit. The cabbage, good. Chicken balls, haven't tried yet, but they always good. Teriyaki noodle, eat.
Hit.
This is just a very like a very simple, easy meal, honestly. I know I was crashing out a little bit and stressing. That was simply because I don't like to film and cook because it's already stressful for me to cook. So filming adds a little, you know, intensity to it. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys try it. It's really good, super simple. We're about to go eat this. The word of the video is cabbage. If you made it to the end of this video, comment down below cabbage. That lets us know that you are a real one, and we love real ones around here. Real ones are Monayers.
Exactly. I don't even need to say it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Monayer.